Hello friends! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Maybird. For today's video, we're going to make homemade cocktails. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, ano pang hinihintay mo? Mag-subscribe ka na! For today's video, we're going to make homemade cocktails. Ingredients needed. Of course, kailangan natin ng ice, water, Ginebra or gin, gatorade powder, any kind of flavor, lemon, fresh lemon, and of course Tang. This video is not sponsored by Tang, Gatorade, and Ginebra San Miguel. So, let's begin! Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, ano pang hinihintay mo? Mag-subscribe ka na! Hit the bell icon para updated ka sa lahat ng videos ko. In here, we are going to use the 500 ml size of glass. We will start now by adding 2 tablespoons of Gatorade powder, lemon or lime flavor. You can also use Gatorade liquid, lemon or lime flavor if you don't have the powder one. And we will add water, about 1/4 cup of water. I use mineral water in here. We will add about 1/4 cup of Ginebra San Miguel or gin. And we will add Tang, mixed berries, about 2 tablespoons. You can always adjust the measurement of the ingredients, depends on your taste buds. Now we will add freshly squeezed lemon juice, about 2 tablespoons as well. We're going to use new Tang mixed berries. Nalasing Kana, may vitamin C plus vitamin D at zinc Kapa. You can just mix all together in a glass, or if you have the shaker, you can use the shaker and shake it. Since I get dizzy so easily once I shake my drinks, so I don't normally shake my drinks. And then we will add ice. It depends as you like, if you like to add more ice. And then mix again, or you can shake it. And then we will add 1/2 cup of mineral water again until we fill the glass. And that's it. It's so easy to make homemade cocktails. Just keep on mixing, and just like that, that's it. You now have your own homemade cocktail made of Gatorade lemon powder and gin and Tang mixed berries. And of course, this is optional. You can also add a slice or 2 slices of lemon, fresh lemon, and that would be great. Ready to serve. At kung sa palagay mo'y nagustuhan mo ang video ko at may natutunan ka sa araw na ito, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the all bell icon, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you all for watching. Until my next video. Bye!